Hello, this is Dr. Shilpa Devanhari. Today we are going to talk if diabetic patients should fast or not. Fasting is very common. Almost all the oldest religions like Hindu, Muslim, Catholics do prescribe fasting as a regular practice due to its health benefits. Fasting means you stop eating completely or almost completely for certain stretch of time. A fast usually lasts for 12 to 24 hours. But certain type of fast like Navratri, it may last for few days at a time. In some cases, people may choose to have water, coffee, tea or even certain amount of food in small quantity during fasting period. So the question is, should diabetic patients fast? Currently, diabetic patients are advised not to fast. On contrary, they are advised to eat something every 2 to 3 hours to maintain their blood glucose levels and to avoid any of the complications like hypoglycemia and hyperglycemia. This recommendation is based on assumption that diabetes is chronic progressive disease and only treatment option available is to maintain blood sugar levels. This approach actually keeps diabetes patients forever diabetic. In reality, this is not the whole truth. Type 2 diabetes is almost always reversible. In fact, fasting is the oldest and most powerful dietary intervention which can reverse type 2 diabetes and other chronic diseases. Let me explain how. When we eat, some amount of produced energy is utilized by body right away and excess energy is stored for later use. Here, insulin is the key hormone involved in storage of excess energy in the form of glycogen and fat. When we fast, the process goes in reverse. As there is no food, blood sugar levels goes down and now body must use stored glucose and fat for energy. This process is initiated by drop in insulin levels. Type 2 diabetes is a disease where excess insulin is produced due to insulin resistance. Now you can see how fasting is most effective way of reducing insulin levels and insulin resistance. And that's why diabetic patients should definitely fast if they want to reverse their disease. But remember, it's important that diabetic patients should fast under a health expert's guidance. First, talk to your doctor to adjust your medicine doses and avoid future complications. So, why don't you start practicing fasting from today and experience the health benefits?